Hi everyone, this is Dr. Shilpa from Vardhan Fertility, and today we're going to talk about a few myths in pregnancy. Most of the women who are pregnant would have heard this the first thing in pregnancy, especially by the family members, grandparents, aunties at home. So first thing they say is eat for two. Eat for two is a very bad thing because all pregnant women should have an extra 300 calories intake compared to your normal food intake, and it's more about the quality than the quantity. Simply consuming that extra amount of rice is going to do more harm to you than benefit your baby in any way. So eating for two is not necessary. Extra quality of nutritious diet, just an extra bit of 200 to 300 calories would be good. Your doctor will recommend how much to take. Secondly, the shape of the abdomen or the belly decides the gender of the fetus. This is an absolute wrong statement because the shape is more about the mother's maternal tone of the body. It's about the muscle stature of the woman than anything to do with the gender. Another thing is, if the baby is in transverse lie also, the shape of the abdomen will be different from compared to the baby in a erect posture. So transverse lie is a position where the baby is sleeping horizontally in the abdomen of the mother, in which case definitely the shape is going to be different. Thirdly, many women say that heartburn in pregnancy is something to do with a very hairy baby. This is also not really proven because heartburn is more attributed to the food intake and the hormones in pregnancy. So it's more to do with the chili what you ate last night than to do anything with the hairy nature of your baby. There's another myth we've heard that using saffron in your milk or using sesame seeds will affect the skin color of the baby. So saffron color adding onto the milk will not really help you get a fair baby because the skin color of the baby is very much determined based on the genetics of the mother and the father and has nothing to do with what you eat. So this is also it's a very strongly proven myth. Coffee is a strict no-no. So this is also a myth because we have seen many patients complaining of headache who are very much addicted to coffee. So for those patients, we can say that 200 milligram of coffee, that is just an ounce of coffee, will not do much harm to your baby. Like 200 milligram per day will not really cause much harm. But excessive intake will definitely cause preterm baby and low birth weight, as in the baby's weight won't be adequate for the gestational age. So this is something which you should think about. Keeping all these facts, I think listen to your doctor. Further doubts, please message us. Have a safe pregnancy. Thank you.